5 reasons why your flat roof is ponding, coming up next.
Number 5. Substrate damage. Damage to the roof substrate, such as cracking or settling, can create low spots, where water collects. These imperfections can accumulate over time, leading to ponding issues. Number 4. Inadequate roof coatings. Flat roofs are typically sealed with various coatings and membranes to prevent water infiltration. If these coatings deteriorate or were improperly installed, they can develop low areas, lose their water shedding ability, and contribute to ponding. Number 3. Debris accumulation. Leaves, dirt, and other debris can obstruct drainage systems and prevent water from flowing off the roof. This debris can clog gutters and drains, causing water to pool on the roof surface. Number 2. Sagging or structural issues. Over time, roofs can experience structural problems, such as sagging or bubbling. These issues can create low spots where the water accumulates, leading to ponding. Number 1. Poor drainage roof design. Inadequate or improper drainage systems are one of the most common causes of ponding on flat roofs. If the roof lacks proper slope or doesn't have sufficient drainage points, water may collect in low areas and puddles. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.